Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone to your favorite list on Grindr. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grindr application. Now click on the profile of the person that you want to add. Click on the star icon in the top right corner. Now go back and check your faves list. And here you can see the profile of the person that you just added. So that is how you can add someone to your favorite list. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.